Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tribute Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. I'm Bergie. What's going on? What's going on? I got my camera moved over here now. So it's kind of like, yo, Bergie, where you at? I'm down here way in the bottom, brothers and sisters. Listen, I got a box of SP Game Used, or SP Authentic. I want to break SP Game Used so bad. I keep saying it all night. 1819 Hockey SP Authentic. I'm doing giveaway number 31. I'm giving away a Batgirl. What? A DC Wobbler's Batgirl. So, she's over here. I'll show you. Come on, live, Batgirl, Batgirl. Right? Right on, Batgirl. Get her done. Right on. So, this is giveaway number 31. This box break, you had to buy, this giveaway, you had to buy 3 spots into any of our breaks that were out there. We have some breaks that are sitting there next to me over here, as you can see. 17 spots for some... some breaks. Anyhow, long story short, 31 total spots needed to be filled or more, but I went with 31. I stopped at that. I'm going to give right now one lucky customer $25 in the number 1 spot. The number 2 spot is going to get a Bergie's Break Buck t-shirt, which is right back here. Here's a t-shirt. Boom. Right there. Triple B Collectibles. That's going to go to number 2. Spot number 3 is going to get Batgirl, which is not on here. So, oh, there it is. Batgirl. There she is. Spot number 3 is going to get Batgirl. And then after that, we're going to take everybody's names down here in this customer name. So anybody says in 3, David P, all the way down to Roger S, Last Spot Mojo. You guys are all going to go into the box break over here, which is actually sitting over here. And I'll show you what we're going to do from here. So there's the 25 bucks right here, down to the DC Wobbler, t-shirt, and then our box break right there. All those good fun things. That's for the special side. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Make it a little bold. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to grab David P's name here all the way down to Roger S. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put it over there. So that's how that's going to sit right now. Then I'm going to take this list that I have right here, and I'm going to cut it, put it way down here out of the way so we don't see it. So it's gone. Bam, done, out of the way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this list again. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to random.org. We're going to grab ourselves 2 dice. I'm going to grab a list randomizer, and I'm going to make another list randomizer. Sure you are, Bergie. Can you do it, Bergie? There you go. All right, here's the first list randomizer. Roger S. down to David P. This is for the $25, the t-shirt, and the Batgirl. We're going to take this, so we're just going to kind of move this over to here like that, because that's where the box is going to be over here for the box break. Like that. All right. So, and I'm going to grab everybody's name. Whoever ends in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place is going to win these items as a bonus. And then we're going to go over and do this box break of SP Authentic 1819. Match you up with some teams. And we're going to make sure we don't have 2 Winnipeg Jets and doubled up and all kinds of crazy things. As you know, what's happened in the last couple days with me. Boom! All right, let's roll. Good luck. Here we go. Random dice. Let's roll them. 8. A 2 and a 6 is 8 times. We're going to go over to the list. Roger S. David P. Should be 31 total names. Let's see if we got this right. Bam. 31. There we go. 8 times we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And unfortunately, you're going to see who it is right away. So the winners are in 1, 2, 3. Boom. David P didn't move. Gary M moved up, and David P got 3rd. Wow, David P tore it up. Congratulations. You got $25 in break credit. Gary, you got a t-shirt. Sweet. He's thinking now. I think, oh, great. I wanted bucks, Bergie. I wanted bucks. So, there it is. Everybody else down here is out. I'm so sorry. And then David P, you got Batgirl. But now let's go break. You can share with the kids, man. You can share with the kids, man. Yeah, that's cool, brother. That's cool. So, all right. So now let's go back over to the random, and we're gonna take this list randomizer here, and we'll make it go away. And we're gonna go grab this, and we're gonna go like that for the dice. And let's get some break on. First of all, we're gonna take your names. We'll copy them. We're gonna put them. Oh, jeez. We're on key. Take them, put them over there. David P down to Roger S again, just as we had before. And I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab the team names here. We should have the Las Vegas Knights, Toronto, New York Islanders, Winnipeg Jets only one time. Arizona Coyotes are up there, and the Columbus Blue Jackets are right there. So we are good to go. As you know, I had some snafus in a couple of the other breaks. Oh, crazy stuff. So there we go. Go to random.org. Let's roll some dice. Good luck, everybody. It's a 3. I don't accept 2s or 3s. 5 I do accept. A 4 and a 1 I will accept. We are going to go to the list of customers. Good luck. Here we go, folks. 1. Yeah, 31. 2. 3. We're going 5 times. 4 and 1 is 5. 4 and 5. Boom, 5 times. Brent W is in spot 31. Roger S is in spot 1. There you go. Let's go back over here. Right there. Come back over here to random.org. There's the Jets. There's the Ducks. Grab us some dice again. Roll again. 4 and a 2 is 6 times. Good luck. Here we go, folks. 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby. 4, 5, 6 is what we need. Yep, 6 times. The 6th and final time is... We had a C and C. We got a D and T now. Detroit Maple Leaf, or Toronto Maple Leafs, and the Dallas Stars in the order. Let's line them up. Dallas. Going to Roger. Claude P, you got the Canes. Clyde, you got the Oilers. Diego, you got the Lightning. Nathan G, you've got the Penguins, the Jackets, the Sharks, the Sabres. EJ, you got the Predators. Roger, you got the Bruins. My Bruins. One of my guys. Let's see if he plays again. Nathan G, Panthers. Roger, you got the Vegas Golden Knights. Brent, you got the Winnipeg Jets. Dave, you got the Ducks. Nathan, you got the Wings. Brad, you got the Kings. Gary, you got the Ottawa Senators. Scott, you got the Blackhawks. David P, you got the Islanders. Clyde, you got the Avalanche. Dave, you got the Caps. D-Mark, you got the Rangers. Brad C, you got the Canadians. David P, you got the Wild, my Wild. Brad C, you got the Blues. Scott, you got the Vancouver Canucks. Congratulations. Diego T, you got the Arizona Coyotes. Brent, you got the New Jersey Devils. Dylan, you got the Flyers. David P, you got the Flames. And Brent, you got the Toronto Maple Leafs. So I'm going to take this list. I'm going to alphabetize them by team name. If you would like to trade a team with someone else, you're more than welcome. If you want me to switch it around so you can see what you got, I'll leave it on this sheet, you know. So if you don't want to trade, I'm going to give you probably like 3 minutes. So it's 9:08 p.m. right now. So I'll give you to 9:11. That's a bad date. 9:12. So I can go like this too. Let me just sort this by this way here. Sort of like that so you guys can see who you have. Actually, I have to go sort it again. That I got to copy it there. Then I'll sort it back again. And I'll print it out. That. Here, let me enter it in there. Grab that. I'll go back here real quick and I'll go set up the break scene real quick. So if you guys want to trade or whatever you want to do, then I'll give it a few minutes. Texas up there. Roger says stars for night. Stars are nights for wings. What do you say? There, that's going on the bottom there. So stars or nights for the wings. So Roger's looking at stars or nights for the wings. Who's got the wings? Detroit. Nathan G. That's Mr. Skunk. He should be down here. Are you in here, Skunky? Or he might be out harvesting. Yeah, we'll give it another minute here. It's 9:11 right now, so around a little bit there. Let me see if I can get this to come down. This doesn't want to do what I want it to do. No, it does not. All right. A little bit better. I'll try it from there. I gotta move my stand around. So there. All right. So TCW trade or TWC trade window closed. Trade window closed. We had a little activity, but nobody was biting out there. I believe somebody was gone. So I'm gonna put Batgirl off to the side over here. I got my list over there. I'm going to print this sheet out real quick. As you can see, portrait. Take 2 pieces of paper. We'll tell it next here, and I'll tell it to print only 1 piece because I don't need everybody else's names on it. Let's see, print. Print. Oh. There. Here. Up a little bit here like that. So, here we go, folks. Good luck, everybody. SP Authentic. Yeah. My poor printer, I need magnifying glasses to read that shit. Damn, G. Damn. Alright, so I got it over here. I'm just going to alphabetize the names again. I can sort it out. I can check. I can kind of skinny bop over to there. Skunk, you want to trade? I mean, where were you at? No, I'm just kidding. Trade when it's closed, brother. We're off. I told you guys I was going to be on late tonight. Damn, I can't get it to stay. Maybe something like that. Turn it? Yeah, look at that. That's one thing I like about that camera. So good luck, gentlemen. Here we go. So, yeah, you got skunked, brother. You got skunked in the giveaway. Yeah, you got skunked in the OPG pack too. And I don't know how much more we can talk about you getting skunked. You might just need to go get baked. Box. I'm sorry to say, my friend, yes, you did. All right, here we go. All right. Good luck. This is the first box I've opened this year, folks, of SP Authentic. So I'm going to take a gander at it, take a look at it. Look, Andre Fleury. I'm going to take a back end on it. I like the card. It's a nice feel. Nice look. All right, so let's see what we got here. Next one is Jonathan Marchessault. What I don't like is that this is in silver and it's on a white board. Not too intelligent. So, I don't know if I like that. Here you go, Rookie of the Year, Minnesota North Stars. So this would go to Dallas. Mikey Modano. There's our first hit. So North Star hit will go to the other team that it always plays with. This is the way he always goes. So if I pull a Thrasher, it goes where? If I pull Hartford, it goes to who, on down the line. So Mikey Modano going to Dallas. First hit out of the box. Roger S., Dallas Stars. And just think, he tried to get rid of Dallas. Yeah, but Bergie, it's just a rookie milestone. Still, brother, that's a hit. That's a blank. And behind there we have a red and a green. So, Vincent Turcotte. So it's a color. I got you. Base. John Klingberg, base. And a lovely big blank plate. Next pack. Let's go. Let's see what we get here. Looks like we got an Anze Kopitar on the back end. And on the front end, we've got ourselves Mark Messier for the Rangers. We got Dylan Larkin. And we got ourselves Nick Schmaltz for the Arizona Coyotes as a parallel. See, this is what I don't like about SPA. You went and threw a Series 1 card into a high buck box break. And you didn't number it for me. I'm disappointed. I thought they were going to stop doing that crazy nonsense. I'm sorry. I'm giving my opinion because it's the first time I've opened up the box and they did it again. So Arizona Coyotes, Diego T, congratulations. Back end, nothing. Jamie Benn. I mean, these cards look nice. I got to give it. I wish that this was in black. That's my only complaint. I mean, the back end looks nice. They look clean, So nice looking cards. I like the color fact of it. So that's cool. Anze Kopitar, And here's the other thing. I'm pulling from left to right, as you see. I didn't pack stack these, pull them all open and pack stack them or nothing like that. So Brendan Gallagher, Montreal. Next one is Brent Burns, Sharks. Jonathan Doran, Montreal. Blank, LA Kings. Dion and Patrick Kane for the Blackhawks. So none of those were numbered, so that was like a bust pack. I mean, really, there was nothing in there. There's Jack Eichel on the back end there. Let's see what we got here. Johnny T. Teravainen. There you go. Jake Gensel. That's a parallel. The other one wasn't. Is that a parallel? Yeah, that's a red. Red parallel. Is it numbered on the back end? Pittsburgh. No, but it is red. It's red parallel. Something. It's got red lettering on it. So Pittsburgh, the Penguins. Nathan G. There you go, Nathan. And behind that, we got a blank, and we got Detroit Red Wings of Anthony Mantha and Jack Eichel. Next pack. Good luck, Zach Ryman. Vladimir Tarashenko. Boom! Nico Hischier. Now, if he becomes a superstar, congratulations, New Jersey. That's the first Nico Hischier autograph I pulled. Ever, because he didn't autograph with Upper Deck. Man, there you go, dude. Nice. Numbered. Out of 999. 79 out of 9. Or 979, sorry. Out of 999. Really high series. But still, it's a Nico Hischier. Pretty cool, man. I've been waiting to pull one of his autographs. New Jersey Devils. Who had the Devils? Brent W. There you go, Brent. Congrats. Eric Stahl. Base. Steven Stamkos. Base. Doran was a red parallel? That's what I thought. I thought that base. Oh, it was. I was like, Montreal. I believe Montreal was Brad C. Yep. Montreal Canadiens. See. Yeah, so sorry about that. Thanks, Claude. Because I thought that pack was just empty. Knutsev. Base. Connor Hellebuck. Base. And behind there, it looks like we got ourselves a Future is Now. Future Watch. Philip Hornick. I would make a comment about the last name, but I'm not going to do it. You all just play with your imagination all day long. Level 1. Out to the Wings. Come on, Bergie. You can tell I'm tired. I'm missing the penny sleeve to the top loader. Detroit. That was a team that was trying to get away. No. Nathan G. And we have ourselves Craig Anderson with Ottawa and Danny Malkin with Pittsburgh. On to the next pack. Stack. Here we go. Nathan McKinnon. Wayne the Man Gretzky. Okay, it's just Gretzky. I got to throw him in a sleeve. And that like that. So just got to put him in a penny sleeve because it's Wayne Gretzky. It's the Oilers. Claude P. So we'll put him over there. And then behind there we have, wow, Vladimir Tarashenko. Wow. That's kind of a cool looking card. He looks like Jesus on a cross, brother. Like he's standing in between two people and they're like, yeah, we'll just take the picture. Here you go. St. Louis Blues, Stanley Cup champions. Your champions, Brad C. Congratulations. Base of Charlie McAvoy and Ryan Ellis. Kyle Connor. Matt Zuccarello. And behind there we have ourselves the SP Authentic. That's kind of a cool picture. Vegas Golden Knights. Moments. That's cool. Knights. Going out Scott M. Go Scott. Thought maybe it was numbered. Thought what? Maybe it's numbered. Pecorini and Galchenyuk. Next pack. Let's get her done. Roberto Luongo. Richard Rackle. And a red parallel of Alex Tuch, Vegas Golden Knights. Another one for Vegas. There you go. And I call him Roger S. I'm sorry. Did I say that other one? It was Roger S. You do, dude. I'm sorry. Told you my eyesight's going bad. So, yeah. Roger, you got him. I'm sitting there thinking to myself, no, Roger's got these cards. What? Sorry. It's late, man. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. So, and then it's 9:30 a.m. or 9:30 p.m. right now. So, I am way past my limit, baby. Way past my limit. So, Nolan Patrick, Duncan Keith, Bergie's trying to give away people's cards. What the hell, Bergie, is your problem? Sorry, brother. Connor McDavid, base. Taylor Hall, base. There you go. Detroit Red Wings, and he was trying to give away the team. Detroit, Nathan G. Oh, actually, I believe he wanted the team. So Roger was like, hey, anybody wanted my teams for Detroit? There you go. That's the reason why, right there. 647 out of 999. Nathan, skunk, you got a hit. You've been unskunked. Chelwowski. Nice hit, brother. Nice hit, my friend. Bang, bang, bang. Leon Draisaitl and Colton Paryenko. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Patrick Hornquist. Matt Duchene. Young Guns. There you go. Buffalo. Loris Pilut. Lawrence Pilut. Buffalo. Sabres. Nathan G. Go, man. Congratulations. Next one is a blank. But there we have the Future Watch out of, what is that out of? 863 out of 999. Mason Appleton. Winnipeg Jets. Brent W. Bam. And the next one is Sid the Kid Crosby. Pittsburgh. Next pack. Braden Shen. Blake Wheeler. And Edmonton Oilers, Mark Messier, the rookie year. Edmonton. Blank. Vlad P with Edmonton. Jonathan Quick. And Thomas Hurdle. Travis. Shane Cochier. Henrik Lundqvist. Boom. And behind that, an SP. Eric Stahl, Minnesota Wild. Surrounded by the Blues. Minnesota Wild. There you go. Kind of cool card. David P. Blank and Panarin. Here, Luc Dubois. Next pack. Ida Kucherov. Alex DeBrincat. Tanner Pearson. I think they wrote down on the bottom here, they write down. Cool card. Pittsburgh. Pearson. Penguins. Nathan G. Johnny Grudeau. Jeff Carter. 4 packs left, ladies and gentlemen. Get off of me. Get off of me. John Gibson. What? He's not showing his hair. Alexander Radloff. Rookie year milestone of Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. Congratulations for that. New York Rangers. D-Mart. There you go. Jake Gardner. James Neal. Aaron Ekblad. Carey Price. Nino Niederreiter. Used to be with the Wild. With the Canes. There you go. Carolina Hurricanes. Claude P. There you go. And we got a blank. Got Mark Stone. Jonathan Toews. Second to the last pack. We can get a memorabilia card or anything? Got 2 autos. Anything else? Probably not. Brad Mouchard. Jonathan Doran. And moments with Patrick Kane and the Chicago Blackhawks. There you go. Zoom. Patrick Kane, Chicago. Scott M. And we got a blank again. And we have Kevin Shattenkirk with Tom Wilson of the Cavs. Last pack. Thank you, everybody, getting into this break. Going to give us for the last pack. What do we get? Alex Took, Jake the Snake Genzel, a blank, and it looks like we got a red, or what do we got here? Oh, well then, we got the Spectrum FX of Jonathan Tays. Is that a level 2? FX Spectrum. You tell I paid attention to this series so far this year. I've broken one box. I've bought in one box. Gave it away. Gave it to you. Chicago Blackhawks. Goddamn. Last two cards of the break. Clayton Keller and James Van Riemsdyk. So, that's it. That's all I got. I got some penny sleeving to do. I top loaded everything already over there of the hits. That was SP Authentic. That's all I can say, folks. That was SP Authentic. It's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. Peace out. God bless. Stand up for your flag, and thank you for serving our country. Peace.